This is Vibi. So welcome back to our channel, The Nightingale Tales. So here I am today to tell you why TT is mandatory in pregnancy. Why TT vaccine should be taken by the pregnant women in India. So let's get started. In ancient India, there are many pregnant cases, and these deliveries are carried out by local dayas or mantrasanis in our local language, as no healthcare facilities are available. Earlier in those days, when our grandmothers or when our mothers are pregnant, they used to deliver at home by these local dayas or mantrasanis, because there are least healthcare facilities available in India in rural areas. So this is what happened in those days. So here goes the story of TT, and you can see the picture of baby being delivered at home. So as dayas who have least medical knowledge and who know the least about the medical procedures or aseptic procedures are conducted deliveries, they don't know the importance of medicine or hygiene. After cutting the umbilical cord, they followed a trend of putting dung to the umbilical cord. So very least of people, or very few of people know that after delivering and after cutting the umbilical cord of the mother and baby, these dayas or mantrasanis used to put dung over the bleeding umbilical cord of the baby. So you know about tetanus spores, and these spores are the high in number compared to other organism spores. So they stay on everything like dirt, soil, air, water, everything. So even the dung of the cow has these tetanus spores. So direct application of these cow dung to the bleeding umbilical cord, that is freshly bleeding umbilical cord, gives rise to a neonatal tetany. So, and these dayas have never used sterile procedures like using sterile equipment like scissors or scalpel. They used to use agriculture tools like chisel or saw to cut the baby's umbilical cord. So dung application to the umbilical cord, which is having tetany spores, is very infective and can cause baby a tetany neonatal tetany. So here you can see neonatal tetany or tetanus neonatal, as the kids of generations have been affecting with that neonatal tetany. So India has experienced a lot of infant mortality cases due to this particular disease, and the main reason behind this neonatal tetany or neonatal tetonarum is that application of cow dung to the umbilical cord of the baby. So many infants and neonates deaths occur due to lack of knowledge and awareness. So after a survey, the Indian government has concluded that this is the fact and introduced TT vaccine into the national immunization schedule. So every woman in India gets these TT shots for during her pregnancy to avoid this neonatal tetany or tetanus neonatorum. So to prevent the infection, in those days the government has introduced this TT injection, and the introduction of this TT into the national immunization schedule has came up with a good result, as the country started to experiencing low or least cases in the infant mortality rate in the neonatal tetany. So this is the story behind every Indian woman getting TT vaccine during her pregnancy. So only least of us know that this is the real story. So today I am here to tell you about the importance of vaccination and why a pregnant woman should get her TT regularly. So every pregnant woman in India gets 2 vaccine shots of TT to avoid neonatal tetany or neonatal tetanurium. So this is all about the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Nightingale Tales. Also stay home and stay safe. Do comment what you think of this TT vaccine, and suggestions on topics and other videos are invited. Please comment on what topic do I need to make the next video. Thank you.